Hey guys, it's Mr.Tibbles here, and okay, this is a cool new game, and I'm really psyched for. Okay, as you can see, I kind of already started because I recorded before, but I messed up with how the screen was put, and the video wasn't that good. But I promise you, okay, so I'm gonna show you some really cool stuff. This is called Dead Trigger. I feel like I already said that, but okay, so let me explain to you something. So there's like main quests and then side quests that get you stuff like this. It's difficulty hard. So I'm guessing it's like all at once. And this one is search for food. Now, I could get cool other guns. Like right now I have the Colt and the Scorpion. Now I have to be like certain levels, I guess, or like a rank, because right now I'm level 3. I can get a chainsaw. This is the best day of my life. Bye. I had fun. It's not enough. No! I need 5,000! Oh, I can also get that. Oh, that's a lot too. Dang. That's a lot of gold. Alright. Well, we're gonna try and get a new weapon, so equip. What can I equip? 5 more? I don't wanna. Unequip. It's just, I don't really wanna get, like. I don't wanna get. Okay, I'll get into this, but I don't wanna get any, brain fart. Huge brain fart. Any other turrets, because I got pretty good guns. The Colt is basically like a Desert Eagle, and if you don't know what that is, it's a a headshot, a one shot to the head. Oh, it's lagging? No lag? Okay. So, if I'm not careful... Woo! Okay. Only headshots, only headshots. Come on, the headshot, the headshot, the headshot, the headshot. Jesus. Harder. Doors are open. Whoa! Whoa! Machine gun time. Ah, how dare you, you dingus. Go, 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 go. Okay. What are you doing? What are you... That. Doors are open. Area expanded. Okay, cool. There we go. Reload quickly. Get this ammo. Get more ammo. I am so badass. The Scorpion is OP, man. Boom. You can scope with this, like. And there's like these fat, chubby ones. They're hilarious. They like somewhat jog and limp. It's weird. Oh, it's that one! It's that one! Oh! What the what? Back the pick up! Okay, now there's one over here. Doors are open, expanded. I only have two hearts left, or 2 like HP. See, these ones like that's so weird. No more. Okay. Okay. We're going to this. It's a 2-shotter, alright? It changes. Okay. Is this a crate? Yes! Okay, so that's what they were talking about. Woo! No, 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 no! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Woo! No, 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 no! Oh god! Headshots for days. Headshots for days. Okay. I'm on 1 health. I need health. Bad. I need health really bad. Oh, wait, is there health somewhere? Can I go over here? Woo! You guys come out of nowhere! Okay, more ammo. Cool. Oh, these guys are so disgusting and... moisturize, you bitch! More ammo. Okay, I'm gonna go up. Okay, what's here? Wait, what's this? What's this? Nothing? Okay. Alright. Woo! Can I get through here? No? Am I stuck? Die! You don't get to die! Or you don't get to live! You all get to die. Well, again. LOL! Ah, see? There's like fat ones that just like jog, semi-jog. Alright, more ammo. It's just it's dangerous, man. Okay, so there's none coming from up there, so I'll just keep an eye up there, but right now I'm just gonna do like the camping style. Find Rox's crate of whiskey. LOL! Headshot. There we go. There's none coming from anywhere else. I'm gonna let them all group up. I just want to get to the... Well, that's a lot of them. What? I can't go anywhere else? Alright. Let's kick some ass. Woo! Say hello to my little friend. Don't jog. Not in a marathon. This game is really cool. It has good graphics. Woo! Come on. Why doesn't it let me go up? Oh, it's because I think I have to go downstairs. That's why they keep coming. Alright. Go down. Go down here. Oh, there's a crate, I believe. Yes. Checkpoint. Wait, collection. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Blasting my way through. Oh, Jesus. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Run, 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 run. Actually, no. Oh! Ah! Like a boss. I'm gonna go with this. There's one more. I want to find him, but I also have only one life. One heart warrior. Dun dun da da dun dun da da dun dun dun. Wait, can I go through here? Is he following me? I feel like he is. You can go ahead, follow me. Wait, here? No? I like hear him in the distance, sort of. This is so cool. Alright, through here, and boom! Touchdown! Woo woo! Mission success! Yes, sir. This is an epic game, alright, guys? It's called Dead Trigger once again. My favorite weapon, indeed, is the Scorpion. But clock is 45. I want to get it. I want to get it. How do I get it? Yeah. What the what? No thanks. No, no. Bad. Casino. Spin. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Spin. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Spin. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Wow. This is literally like in the casino. You can never get nothing. Wow. Out of chips? Come on. You gotta... No. I'll get something... Wait, do I have to buy health? Oh, wait, no, I have bandages. That's another cool thing. I'll show you guys something. Hold up. Alright, so bandages help you recover health. It's basically like a health pack, okay? So, Okay, find Rockstar's crate with photos. Okay, I'm gonna start with the cult, actually. Oh, you just crawl out of there, you nasty. You too? You follow him? How come I can't get through there? They just look up for a bit. Well, you're not dead. Kill you. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, pew, pew. Headshot. Bam, bam, bam. Alright, I'm gonna go in machine gun or like minigun, cause okay. Let me go through. If you dare swing at me, I will end you. Well, I'm gonna end you anyways, but still. Alright. Let's see if any randomly spawn. No? There's probably gonna come through here, huh? Alright. Okay, so his crate. Oh, I heard them. I heard them. Oh, there's one. Boom. Boom. Can't touch this. Alright, I'm gonna switch to pistol, because I'm gonna use my scorpion. And this one just sounds so badass. Yes. Come at me. Only headshot life. Ah! You trying to get him in the face? Look at it in your face. Where are you going? Where are you headed? The face is like the nose. Like they're about to... You have reached rank 4. Oh, nice. I'm guessing gold is really... Oh, ran out of ammo. I have no more ammo for this. Wow, it just switches automatically. That's sick. Alright. Oh, can't go through there. Okay. What? I still haven't cleared this? Okay. I want ammo for this. Wait, no! I wanted ammo! You dingus! Stop getting close to me! Pew! The headshot life! Ow! Little Michael Jackson for that. These guys, you see, these guys like semi-jaws. What a... Quickly switch, quickly switch. Okay. Pew, 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 pew. Give me ammo. Boom. Come on. The headshot life. My ammo. What? I wanted that for the bolt. Alright, I'm just gonna go in. Alright, go through here. I believe. Yes, yes. Alright, success. There's the crate. Oh, I have no ammo for this. The Colt. Okay, so I think it's gonna be twice as hard to get back. And first zombie shows up. What's up, man? You're my #1 fan? Thank you. Subscribe. Woo! I forgot you could do that. Propane. Hashtag subscribe. Hashtag like. Hashtag hope you enjoyed. Oh god. One of these drop ammo for me? They just keep coming out of both ways. Headshot for days. Alright, let's run. Get down here. Shoot you down. Boom. Just running through here. Oh, I got some full ammo for my backup. Pew pew pew. Don't want to use it up though. Alright. Alright. Get through here. And touchdown! Arrow! Sick. Wow, that is... Whew. Gets intense if you get hoarded. Alright. Well, I think I'm gonna have to end it there. This has been awesome. I'm gonna get on my video grind. So I'm just not gonna record this one. I'm gonna get back to Agario, Slenderman Corridors. That's right. I'm gonna go back on that. So thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. And Mr. Will's out. Peace.